Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan, your science teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here I have to explain about the failure of kidney. If the failure of kidney happens, what should be happen? What should be takes place? So in that particular topic, here the kidney failure might be someone if the person's kidney get stop working. It is due to might be due to the bacterial infections or any other mechanical injuries. So in this case, in case of a kidney, there is a kidney that is an artificial kidney working on this place. This is of what this actions takes place by the machines. Why? Because it is called as a artificial kidney, so it works by the machines. In that cases, the person is no longer to excrete or remove the unwanted or waste material from its body, and if it is get accumulated on the blood, so might be the reason of the death of the person. So in that case, there is a artificial kidney works. And what is the main function of the kidney? The kidney has to filter or scan or might be separate the waste and unused material from the useful material. The useful material get accumulated or get transported to the other parts of the body, and the unused or the waste material is to be transported out or removed out by the excretory system. This excretory system, like the uric acid, urea, these are the waste material, and these has to be removed by the excretory system by kidney as well. So this has to be cleared out or pouring out by the machines, that is takes place by the filtration of a blood. So it is about to the filtration of a blood. So that means we are talking about the heme, that is the blood, and here is the dialysis takes place, that means supplying of the blood and through the filtration, and rest of the other unused material get removed. So this one is called as a dialysis. What is actually the dialysis? The process of cleaning of the blood of a person by separating the waste material like urea. This one is called as a dialysis. When we are talking about the blood filtration, so this is the heme. So this process is called as a hemodialysis. So what does it mean about the hemodialysis? Hemodialysis is carried out through an artificial kidney, often referred to as a dialysis machine. Kidney failure may be rectified by the hemodialysis or the transplantation. The process used cleaning the blood of a person to separate by the waste material, separating the waste material as a urea. So that one is called a dialysis. So the hemodialysis is the process by which the artificial blood supply or the filtration takes place. This is, we can say, the hemodialysis. This hemodialysis takes place when the kidney get failure or it is stop working. Next is excretion in case of an animal. Excretion in animals. How the animals get excrete? You know, most of the excretion takes place by the excretory system. Here, the waste product has to be removed out by the plant in the form of an excrete, that is excreted or removed from the body of the animal depends on the availability of the water. Why? Because if the aquatic animal excrete cells waste in gaseous form like ammonia, which directly dissolve in water, and the land animals such as birds, lizards, snake and insect excrete white semi-colored compound called as a uric acid. Now the transportation of the material in the plants. Transportation of material in the plants. How the transportation happen in case of a plants? So you know very well, transportation is what? The supplement or the supplying of the any material. So we can say that transportation of the plants has the two way. That first one is supplying of water and mineral to the whole parts of the body, and rest the second one is the supplying of the prepared food material to the different parts of the body. These two kind of the transportation of a material from one end to the other end, or from one region to another region of a plant takes place. This one is said to be the transportation in plants. How this happens? Suppose if there is a plant, suppose they are a plant, there might be the special structure present in them. How this happens? This happens by supplying the water and mineral. Water and minerals. Next one, when these are water and minerals supplied, then there is a prepared food get ready. Now it has to be transported to the different body parts. So this one is what? Food materials. These food material has to be transported to the whole parts. Now we can say this can take place by means of what? By means of special characters. What are the special characters? These special structure. The special structure is what? Xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for carrying water and minerals, and phloem is responsible to carry the food material to the different parts of the plant. Now here we can say the xylem vessels suppose if they are cutting transverse sections of it is like that. Suppose if there are something done that another things, this is through which the root hairs enter. This is what? This is the root hair. The root hair of what? This is a part of xylem. This is the xylem vessels. So there is embedded or they are inoculated to the xylem vessels and carrying water and minerals from the soil to the different parts of the body. How it happens? It happens by means of suppose if there is a plant suppose if this is a plant, so what will happen if there is a transverse section takes place? If it is cut down in a transverse section, the TS of the plant, transverse section of the plant, what will we get? Will get the structure of xylem and phloem. So this one is xylem, that one is phloem, and that is what? This is the cambium ring on which this xylem and phloem found. And outer side of this particular structure, skin level structure present, what we can call epidermis. It is called as a epidermis. So here we can see the more reliable structure, that is we can see this is the perforated structure through which this can be filtered. Now here this is like that. That one is termed as xylem. This one is called phloem. And in the center there is a cambium ring present. Cambium ring, and through this structure the transportation happens. Okay, we'll discuss later on this topic.